Hey guys, so I have here my new 4K streaming webcam. That's the EMEET SmartCam S600. And in this video, I want to show you here what comes with this camera, how to set it up, and then also how does the picture quality of this webcam look like. So let's first take a look at the inside of the box, what we're going to find here. So first we have this USB cable. This is USB-C to USB-A. Then it also comes here with instructions manual, of course, so multi-language. And then also here this carrying case or this pouch. This is like kind of lined inside so it doesn't scratch the camera as you're transporting it. And then let's have a look at the camera itself. So this is a monitor mounted camera. See this here in the front, that's the front face of the camera, and then this is here the mounting mechanism. So it has here the swiveling arm, and this is where you mount it on the monitor. So this area here, this is all like nicely rubberized so it doesn't scratch your monitor anywhere. And then also the camera does swivel, so when you mounted it on the monitor, then you can still swivel the camera around left and right and up and down so that you can focus the image of wherever you wanted to point at. Then what I really like here is the connection, the USB port on the back side. So the USB cable is here not permanently installed, so you can just actually plug it in and out in case the USB cable goes bad, and you can replace it. And also the camera comes here with this 1/4 inch mount, so you can mount it on a tripod in case you want to not use a monitor. Okay, so now let's have a look at the lens. So right now you see here the lens is covered with this privacy screen, and then there's this ring here on the outside. And as we turn this ring, that opens up the lens of the camera. You can really easily avoid somebody spying on you by just mechanically covering the lens here. So this mechanism is really nice. And this slot here, that's the camera, the microphone of the camera. So this has a stereo microphone. If you're wondering how the microphone sounds like, then you already know that because I recorded this video with this microphone. So now let's install the camera on my monitor here. So all we have to do is move this arm here out and then mount the camera right on top of the monitor like this, and then swivel this arm backwards until it hits the monitor. And of course we still have to connect the camera. So the USB cable that comes with this camera is almost 6 feet long or 2 meters long. So this is plenty long, but actually my monitor has here this USB hub on the back side. So I'm just going to plug this in right there. And that is all we have to do for a setup. So just make sure now, of course, that you have opened up the privacy screen. And now the camera is already ready to be used. So here, for example, I'm using the camera right away with Microsoft Teams. So I'm going here into the settings to make sure that everything is correct. So this camera has been automatically selected. So here you see EMEET SmartCam S600. And then also, as mentioned before, the camera comes with a built-in stereo microphone. So I'm going to select this here as well. And then the speakers, the camera doesn't come with speakers, so I'm just going to use my laptop's speakers. So now this is, of course, here now the live stream. And when you use the camera, you can also see here that the camera is active, because there's this little tiny LED here, this white dot that you see. That's an indicator light that says the camera is now activated and it's recording. And as I mentioned before, you can just close this privacy screen and then the camera will not be able to take your image anymore. Of course, let's open this back up again. And that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.